Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to clear WhatsApp and free app storage on your device. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how to free up storage on your device, so I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root to device, and also this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to open your WhatsApp. Now, once you open your WhatsApp, click on chat. Now, once you click on chat, you can see over here save to photos, and you can see automatically save photos and videos to videos you receive to photos. So you can see this option. You have to make sure this option is off, and also just go back and you can see over here storage and data. Click on storage and data. Now, once you click on storage and data, you can see media quality. Click on media quality and you can see set it to standard quality, and you can see faster to send, smaller file size. So if it is set to HD quality, your videos or files will take long to when you are sending them, it will take long to be sent. So you need to make sure it is on the first option, which is standard quality, because HD quality at times takes a lot of storage. It takes a lot of space on your device. So please make sure you select the first one over here, and once you go back, you can see media auto download. You can see photo, audio, video, documents. You can set them to never, or Wi-Fi and cellular data. You can set them to never. You can set all of them to never, so that your videos won't be downloaded automatically, because some of us are joining so many groups, and everyone can post anything at all at any time, and all of a sudden, by the time you realize, then it is automatically saved into your photos. So you have to disable this option, which is media auto download. So you have to make sure these options are off, so that you can get enough storage on your device. This is very important. And also you can see manage storage. You can see all the long videos, which is the videos that are consuming a lot of storage on your device. So you can click on them and then delete them. The ones that you don't need anymore, you can click on them and then delete them to free up storage on your phone. So with this WhatsApp application, you can free up a lot of storage on your device, because we use WhatsApp every day. We get a lot of informations through WhatsApp every day, and these informations consumes our storage a lot. So by turning on these options, by turning off these options, you can get a lot of storage on your device. Also, if you're using Android, you can clear cache and storage of your WhatsApp, and it can also help you to get a lot of storage on your device. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more tech updates.